In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block and unblock users on Google Meet. Whether it's because of disruptive behavior or other reasons, sometimes it becomes necessary to block someone during your online meetings. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can manage your meetings more effectively. First, let's start by navigating to Google Meet. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Meet homepage. This is where you'll be able to start, join, or manage your video calls. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to enter your Google account credentials to access the full features. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, look for the Calls tab. Clicking on this will display a list of your recent calls and meetings. Here, you'll find the meeting or call history you're looking for. It's organized to show you who you've been interacting with, making it easier to locate the person you'd like to block. Next, you'll want to select the specific call or meeting from this list. This action will open the details of that particular session. It's good to remember the context of why you are blocking someone, and ensuring you're selecting the correct individual is crucial in this step. Inside the call details, find and click on the More Options button. This is typically represented by 3 vertical dots, a familiar icon across many of Google's applications. Clicking it will bring up a menu of actions you can take related to your call or meeting. From the menu, look for the option to Block User. Selecting this option lets Google Meet know that you wish to prevent further communication from this participant. It's a definitive step, so make sure this is the action you want to take. After choosing to block, a prompt will appear, asking for confirmation. This is the final step in blocking, and you should click Block to complete the action. Once done, this person will no longer be able to contact you via Google Meet. Now, if you ever decide to unblock this individual, start by heading back to Google Meet and enter their name in the search field on the home page. This search function lets you find previously blocked users with ease. Type in the person's name and wait for the search results. When you see the person's record in the results, click on it to open their profile or previously associated call. Here, you'll find the option to unblock. Clicking this will restore their ability to contact you, effectively reversing the block action. And there you have it. Blocking and unblocking users on Google Meet can streamline your virtual interactions and ensure that your meetings run smoothly without interruptions. By utilizing these features, you maintain control over your online environment. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.